In group 1, as you can see these letters, and in group 2, these letters. So this is the letter S, and its sound is S, S, like snake. This is the letter A, and its sound is A, ant. And this is the letter T, and its sound is T, T, teddy bear. This is the letter I, and its sound is I, ink. This is the letter P, and its sound is P, P, pancake. This is the letter N, and its sound is nest. So this is all group 1 letters. Let's start group 2 letters. In group 2 letters, as you can see, this is K. Both have K sound. K, like cat, kite. When joined together, it also make K sound. And this is E, and its sound is egg. And this is the letter H, and its sound is hat. And this is the letter R, and its sound is rat. And this is the letter M, and its sound is man. And this is the letter D, and its sound is drum. In group 3 letters, as you can see, this is letter G, and its sound is G, glass. And this is the letter O, and its sound is oil. And this is the letter U, and its sound is umbrella. And this is the letter L, and its sound is lollipop. And this is the letter F, and its sound is fish. And this is the letter B, and its sound is bulb. Group 4 digraphs. What is mean by digraph? Di means two, and graph means, I can say, letters. When two letters comes together, join together, it make one sound. This is called digraph. When the letter A and I mix together, it makes sound A. So this is digraph. Let's learn these sounds. When the letter A and I comes together, it make one sound A, like pain. And this is the letter J, and its sound is J, jug. And when the letter O and A comes together, it make one sound O, like goat. When the letter I and E comes together, join together, it makes sound I, tie. When the letter E and E comes together, join together, it makes sound E. When the letter O and R comes together, join together, it makes sound or. This is the letter Z, and its sound is Z, zoo. This is the letter W, and its sound is B, weak. This is digraph. Two letters make one sound. When the letter N and G join together, it makes sound ng, ng, like strong. This is the letter V and its sound is v, v, v. This is the letter O. When two O join together make sound O, O. As you can see, same. Two O join together make another sound oo, o, oo. So it has two sound. Group 6 letter sounds. This is the letter Y and its sound is y, y, yogurt. And this is the letter X and its sound is x, x, X-ray. This is digraph. When the letters C and H join together, it makes sound ch, ch, chair. And when the letter S and H join together, it also make one sound sh, sh, shell. Can you see these two digraphs? Both have same letters but different sounds. When the letter T and H join together, it makes sound the, them, and it has unvoiced sound like th, three. So both have same letters but different sound the, th. Group 7 based on digraphs. What is digraph? As you know, when two letters join together make one sound, this is called digraph. When the letter Q and U join together, it makes sound qua. I will not say Q and U. I will use just one sound like qua. It make one sound qua, quack, queen. When the letter O and U join together, it makes sound ow, ow, ouch. I will not say O and U. I will say ouch, only one sound. We will use only one sound. This is digraph. When two letters join together make one sound. This is digraph. So group 7 basically based on digraphs. When the letter O and I join together, it makes sound oi, oi, oil. When the letter U and E join together, it makes sound U, U, Q. When the letter E and R join together, it makes sound R, like mixture. When the letter A and R join together, it makes sound R, car. Please repeat after me. Qua, ow, oi, you, R.